I am exhausted. Ndarushye. Shuddering. So when I'm shuddering, you can ask me, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you mu Kinyarwanda ni bigenze bite? Hello, uhaye ikaze ku muyoboro wa YouTube witwa Language Booster TV. Nkuko bisanzwe, gahunda yacu ni yindi ni kwiga indimi zitandukanye zirimo Ikinyarwanda, Icyongereza ndetse n'Igiswahili. Ku ruhande rumwe dufite Icyongereza, ku rundi ruhande dufite Ikinyarwanda. Izi nteruro ya mbere ni you deserve me. Gerageza ubisome nkuko ndi kubivuga. You deserve me. Read. You deserve me. Number 2, you complete me. Number 3, I don't care. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. The 4th, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. 5th, I don't like. I don't like. Number 7, number 6, I don't support it. I don't support it. I don't support it. And number 7, number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, number 7, I don't mind. I don't mind. Izi nizo tugiye kubanza guheraho turareba icyo zisobanuye, tureba uko zikoreshwa. Ngira ngo murabona ko hari n'impinduka yabayeho mu miterere ya video zacu. Twajyaga tuvuga mutatubona, ariko noneho mubasha kutubona kuri screen yanyu. Ubwo rero ndizera ko n'ibindi bizagenda bikemuka. Tujyane. The first sentence is you deserve me. So you deserve me is used to you can use this sentence to tell your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your spouse, I mean wife or husband, that you are happy to live with that one. For example, you can tell your wife, my wife, you deserve me. To mean that you are satisfied with the way you live together with your husband. I mean your wife. Tuzayikoresha tushaka kubwira abagenzi bacu dukunda, inshuti zacu, abo twashakanye, abakunzi, yuko tunyuzwe kandi rwose twisanze twarabonye icyo twashakaga. You deserve me. You deserve me mu Kinyarwanda ni urampiriye. Urampiriye. Ndanyuzwe rwose, ni wowe wanjye, urampiriye. Yes? Number 2 is you complete me. You complete me. Great. You complete me is also a short sentence you can tell to your friend, your spouse, that you are satisfied with the love, with the way you live together with your partner. Rero nayo wayikoresha ubwira mugenzi wawe kunyuzwe n'uburyo ubana nawe, ushimiye kandi ushimishwa no kubana nawe cyangwa se kuba uri mu rukundo na mugenzi wawe. You complete me. Mu Kinyarwanda ni uranyuzura cyangwa se uranyuzuza. Great. Okay. The third sentence is I don't have time. I don't have time. So I don't have time. You can use these short sentences when someone asks you to do something or ask you to help him or her something, to show that there is no much time to do such service or such activity. In this case, you will tell him or her, yeah, I don't have time. I don't have time. For example, I can ask you, can you do this work? Can you do this work? And you will tell me, no, I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. Ni interuro wakoresha ushaka kuvuga ko nta mwanya ufitiye ikintu. Nta mwanya ufitiye ikintu, munagusabye service, munagufashabye ikintu wamukorera cyangwa se mwafatanya ukamubwira ati no, I don't have time. Nta mwanya mfite. Another sentence, another short sentence which which conveys meaning, a great meaning and a great message is I don't know. 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 You can use this sentence to show that you do not have any information about something. I can ask you, do you know to cook rice? Do you know to cook? Do you know to cook omelette? And you say, no, I don't know. 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 Mu Kinyarwanda ni ntabyo nzi. Ntabyo nzi. The next expression is I don't like. No. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. So I don't like means simbikunda. Do you like milk? No, I don't like. I don't like. Hey, simbikunda. Umuntu ashaka kuvuga n'ibintu biterekeranye ukumva rwose ibyo bintu akubwiye ntubikunda kandi ntubyiyumvamo ukamubwira ati no, stop. I don't like. Another expression is I don't support. I don't support it. I don't support them. I don't support means I don't support. I don't support. I don't support. So I don't support means that you are not together with the one in his or her sense, her beliefs, etc. Umuntu ashaka kuba yizera ibintu, ashaka kuba yemera ibintu, ashaka gusaba service, ukamubwira ati no, ibyo bintu simbishyigikiye. I don't support it. I don't support it. Simbishyigikiye. Another expression is I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind means you can tell this sentence when someone asks you service, asks you to do something, ask you permission to use your things, your items, and you say I don't mind. No, I don't mind. No matter, I don't mind. For example, I can ask you, do you mind to use your phone? Do you mind using your phone? Or can I use your phone? When you don't have any problem, you don't have any problem to lend me your phone, you would say I don't mind. I don't mind. Ntacyo bitwaye. Yes, dear students, dear listener, dear watcher, is this video helpful? If it is helpful, tell me in a comment. Click on like to show me that you are interested with what I am doing now. It will motivate me to upload more videos. Nizere ko nibona isomo ari ingenzi ugiye kunshyigikira ungaragariza ko unyuzwe n'iri somo. Nyugukanda like ukanyereka yuko iri somo rwose warikunze kandi ari ingenzi, kandi niba utakaza subscribe ibyo byo rwose n'ucabana ndizera ko wamaze kubikora kandi ndagushimiye wowe wabikoze. Dukomeze. Yes. We have other short sentences, but which has a deep meaning and message. Another sentence is it's free. It's free. It's free means there is no payment. There is no any payment. The service is free. For example, these lessons that are broadcast here on this channel is free. I teach you for free. I teach you for free. There's no payment. Yes. Aha. It's free in Kinyarwanda is n'ubuntu. N'ubuntu bwonyine. Kuba ndi kubigisha it's free. N'ubuntu. It's free. How much does this service require? How much money does this service cost? No. This service is free. So another expression is it's clear. You can say it's clear or it is clear. It is free. It is strange. It is short form of it is. It's clear. It means that it is understandable. The idea you are providing here is clear. It is understandable. It is realistic and logical. Ikintu cyumvikana gisobanutse turavuga tuti iki kintu ni clear. It's clear. Birasobanutse kandi birumvikana. Another short expression is it's strange. Oh la la, my lord. It's strange. It's strange. It's strange. It is a word you can use to show that you are amazed. You are amazed with what you have listened or what you have heard. It's strange. It is new to you. It is new to you. Ni ikintu gishya kuri wowe kiragutunguye. Urumva ari ubwa mbere hari wenda ucyumvise. Uzavuga ati, my friend, it's strange. Nshuti yanjye, mu Kinyarwanda ntibisanzwe. It's strange. It's strange. Another expression is it's tragic. It's tragic. It's tragic means that, la la, my friend, it's tragic. It's very sad. It's tragic means it is very sad. It is very sad. You can say, do you know your friend Jack is in hospital? He has made an accident. Oh la la. You mean it's strange? It's strange. So it's tragic. It's tragic means it's very sad. Yo, birababaje, this is tragic. The opposite of it's tragic is it's comic. Comic. Comic means it makes you happy. It is happyful. It can cause you to be and feel happy. It's tragic. It is comic. It's comic means birasekeje. It's comic. It's comic, my friend. It's comic. Yes. Another short expression is it's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. It means that, oh la la, it's amazing. It's amazing, my friend. When I study the universe, my friend, I found it's awesome. Iyo nize ibijyanye n'ikirere ndumirwa ngatangara ngasanga rwose ibyacyo biratangaje. It's awesome. Biratangaje. So another short expression is it's hard. It's hard. Repeat. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It is not easy. It is not easy. For example, I can tell you, I can ask you, imagine when you bear when you bear 5 children at once. My friend, it's hard. It's hard. When I bear five children at once, it's hard. It's hard means birakomeye. Kubyara abana batanu cyarimwe birakomeye. It's hard. It's hard. Yes, dear watcher, dear viewer, I think this video is helpful. Tell me in the comment if it is so. Let us continue. It is English short sentences in Kinyarwanda, our lesson of today, in a serial program called Vuga Icyongereza None, or Speak English Today. If you are English learner, if you are Kinyarwanda learner, this video is for you, to teach you Kinyarwanda if you are foreigner, and English if you are Rwandan, in short time. Let us go. Another short sentences are the following. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? So what's wrong with you means this is a short question. A short question you can ask your friend when you see he, she shows a strange behavior, which is not normal. For example, you found she's crying, she's shuddering, she falls down. You can ask, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? For example, I am shuddering. I am shuddering. So when I'm shuddering, you can ask me, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you mu Kinyarwanda ni bigenze bite? Wabaye iki? Bigenze bite? What's wrong with you? Okay? Another question that we normally ask our friends, our girlfriend, our boyfriend is, have you eaten? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Is sentence is a short question that we ask our friend to know whether they have taken food, they have taken meal. Okay. Have you eaten? Mu Kinyarwanda cyacu ni wariye. Ese wariye? Yes. Have you eaten? Or we can ask our friends, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? It is a question that we ask to know whether someone has eaten or has not eaten. Are you hungry? Urashonje? Urashonje? Yes, I am hungry. No, I'm not hungry. I have eaten. Yes. Another question we ask our friends to know how they feel is, are you sick? Are you sick? Are you sick means we want to know whether our friend, our spouse, our colleague is okay or she feels sick. Are you sick? Are you sick means urarwaye. Urarwaye. Sorry, you will recover soon. When your colleague, when your friend, when your spouse tells you that he or she is sick, you can console him or her and say, sorry, 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 you will recover soon. Sorry, you will recover soon. Sorry, you will recover soon. So, sorry, you will recover soon in Kinyarwanda is ihangane. Ihangane uzakira vuba. Oh, my friend, ihangane inshuti yanjye, uzakira vuba. My friend, sorry, you will recover soon. You will recover soon. So another expression is, have you cooked? Have you cooked? You say, cooked, cooked. Have you cooked? Have you cooked? Mu Kinyarwanda, watetse? Cyangwa se niba barenze umwe, you ushobora kuvuga umwe cyangwa benshi. Have you cooked? Mwatetse? Yes. Uratashye, urabaza usanze mu rugo, have you cooked? Nugera mu rugo ubaza abana cyangwa se ubaza umukozi, have you cooked? Have you cooked means watetse. Another expression is, I admire you. I admire you. I admire you means ndakwemera, ndagufana, uramfasha, uri mubo nigiraho. I admire you. I admire you. Yes, turakwemera, ndakwemera. I admire you. We admire you. Yes, ndakwemera. Okay, is this video helpful? If it is helpful, I think you have already subscribed. So click on like, write in a comment any question, any suggestion, any reason you want to upload in one of the free languages. Share this video to your friends so that we can learn together these free languages. Especially, we can learn English in short time through short sentences. I'm your teacher, Eric, and this is Language Booster TV, your channel, your teacher. Yes, let us go. Another sentence is, okay, I live. Bye bye, I live. Bye bye, I live. I live means ndagiye. Ndagiye. Wari kumwe n'umuntu mwari kuganira, iyo ni ngombwa ko mutandukana, aragiye. Azavuga ati, I live. Hanyuma kandi nagera mu nzira, uzamubaza ati, where do you arrive? Ugeze he? Nama yageze aho agomba kugera, azakubwira ati, I arrive. Simply, I arrive. Ndahageze. I arrive. Ndahageze. Aha. Shuko maza ati, don't say go ageze aho umeze ute, urumva umeze ute. No, my friend, I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Cyangwa say simply, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. It means that I'm very, very, very tired. Very tired means exhausted. I am exhausted. Ndarushi. So, another expression is I'm tired. I'm tired has a similar meaning with exhausted, but exhausted is more advanced word. Tired na exhausted bivuga kimwe, ariko exhausted ni iryo rwose ry'abasirimu cy'abantu bamaze gusobanura icyo cyongereza cy'abantu bamaze kugira gute gusobanuka. I am tired ni iby'abantu nyine batangize, ariko ndifuza ko twiga aka kajambo exhausted nk'akantu k'abasirimu. I am exhausted. Nakajambo wabwira umuntu ntapfe kuba yahita kumva uwo wese keretse yarabaye umwarimu w'icyongereza, yarabaye umunyeshuri w'icyongereza kandi akigishwa n'umwarimu usobanutse. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Another expression is I am tired means ndananiwe. I'm afraid is another expression to show that you have fear. When you have fear, you can say I am afraid. My friend, I am afraid. I'm afraid, guys. I'm afraid means mfite ubwoba. No. I'm surprised. I'm surprised means ndatunguwe. On the other side, you can say, no, I feel free. I'm supported. I am supported. I'm supported mu Kinyarwanda cyacu ni ndashyigikiwe. I'm supported. Ndashyigikiwe. Well, let us continue. dufite other sentences, dufite other sentences, other short sentences. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care means in Kinyarwanda simbyitayeho. I don't care. I don't care. Simbyitayeho ntibindeba. I don't care. No, I don't refuse. I don't refuse. I don't refuse. I don't refuse means simbyanze. Do you love me? I don't refuse. Can we go together? I don't refuse. Means that you accept. Aha, I don't claim. I don't claim means sinjuri, simbulan. I don't claim. Do you claim? No, I don't claim. I don't imagine. I don't imagine. Can you imagine if you are a boy? I don't imagine. Simbyibaza. Simbyibaza cyangwa se sinjya mbitekerezaho. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for. Okay. My love. Tomorrow I'll give you precious gift. My love. Tomorrow I'll give you precious gift. And that's what the one say. Okay. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for means ndategereje. Ndategereje. I wonder why. My Lord. My friend. I wonder why. I wonder why always I struggle. I wonder why. So I wonder why means ndibaza impamvu. Ndibaza impamvu. I wonder why. On the other side, you have another expression which is, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Mu Kinyarwanda bisobanuye biratangaje. When I think about the love of the Lord, the love of God, it's amazing. It's amazing means biratangaje. Biratangaje. Okay? Yes. Yes. This is the end of our lesson. Ndabakunda cyane. Se iri somo mwabonye rimeze riti ryabafashije ryagize icyo ribungura. Nakaye kajambo wize niyo nteruro ugiye gukomeza gutangira gukoresha uyu munsi. Byandikira muri comment umbwira akajambo kagufashije utaruzi mu Kinyarwanda. Wize iki rero? Yes, iyi video se yari ingenzi cyane. Niba yari ingenzi, ndizera ko wamaze gukora subscribe. Ndizera ko wamaze gukora like. Kandi ndizera ko ubu tuvugana wakanze kuga fresh kari aho hepfo ugiye gusharinga abagenzi bawe. Iyi video ugiye kwisangiza inshuti zawe kuri izindi mbuga muhuriyeho. YouTube. Ugiye kusangiza iyi video yawe kuri WhatsApp. Haba muri group urimo, haba kuri status yawe. Kuko ni video ingenzi cyane yafasha abantu kwihugura izi ndimi. Ndatekereza nawe ariko wabibonye. Nge niko mbibona. Ibyo rero wabikoze ndabigushimiye. Wowe umaze kubikora nawe ndabigushimiye. Ndizera ko no hasi wamanutse muri comment ugiye kumbwira icyifuzo. Ubutaha nzakwigisha iki? Nyandikira umbwire. Nzakwigisha iki ubutaha mu Cyongereza? Nzakwigisha iki ubutaha mu Kiswahili? Ese nzakwigisha iki ubutaha mu Kinyarwanda? Feel free. Isanzure umbwire icyo ushaka kwiga. Nzakigushyiriraho nkurikije ibyifuzo byanyu. Murakoze cyane. Ndi mwarimu wanyu Eric Bunani ubakunda kandi witaho. Yes. For those who speak English, how was this video? Is it helpful? If it is helpful, tell me. I think you have already subscribed. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. I think also you are going to click on like to show your much attention that you are interesting to this video, click on the arrow to share to your friend in WhatsApp or any other social media. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm your teacher Eric, and this is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages at free and at once. Thank you very much. Let us meet next time. Bye bye.